Attention, content creators and smartphone enthusiasts. Get ready to elevate your videography game with the 5 best phone gimbals of the year. These innovative devices provide unparalleled stabilization and cutting-edge features, ensuring smooth footage for your creative endeavors. Join us as we explore the top gimbals that will revolutionize the way you capture moments with your smartphone. Let's unlock your creativity and embark on a stable and smooth filming journey. Number 5. Zhiyun Smooth Q3 Phone Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the Zhiyun Smooth Q3, the ultimate smartphone gimbal stabilizer for YouTube and vlogging. With a 180 degrees fill light, 3-axis stabilization, and gesture control, this lightweight powerhouse takes your videos to the next level. Capture smooth, professional footage with ease and unlock cinematic features with the Zhiyun Cammy app. Elevate your content creation game with the Zhiyun Smooth Q3. Number 4. PowerVision S1 Smartphone Gimbal. With 3-axis anti-shake technology, built-in tripod, and AI-powered gesture and face and object control, this gimbal ensures smooth footage and keeps you in focus. Plus, wireless charging keeps your phone powered up. It's portable and ready for action. Elevate your content creation with the PowerVision S1 Gimbal Explorer Kit. Number 3. Osmo Mobile 6 Smartphone Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the Osmo Mobile 6 Smartphone Gimbal Stabilizer, the game changer for creators. With 3-axis stabilization, quick launch, and active track 5.0, it delivers smooth and centered shots. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for on-the-go shooting. Plus, enjoy intuitive control, simple guides, and compatibility with popular smartphones. Elevate your videos with the Osmo Mobile 6 and say goodbye to shaky footage. Number 2. Insta360 Flow AI-powered smartphone stabilizer. We have the Insta360 Flow, the AI-powered smartphone stabilizer that takes your content creation to new heights. With 3-axis stabilization, built-in selfie stick and tripod, and an all-day battery life, this is a game changer. Get yours now and unleash your creativity. Number 1. iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer for smartphone. With its AI tracker, adjustable fill light, and 7th Gen iSteady stabilization, this gimbal takes your smartphone videography to new heights. Capture unlimited shooting angles, redefine mobile photography, and enjoy 18 hours of battery life with reverse charging. Upgrade your creative game with the iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and hit that like button. Stay tuned for more amazing content. Thank you for your support.